Huawei Mate 20 Pro. A rapid, stunning, and feature-packed flagship that you'll simply fall in love with. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is one of, if not the, best smartphones ever made, delivering an experience that leaves nothing to be desired. It's Adnan and you are watching T4 Tech. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with a powerhouse core hardware suite. The 7nm Kirin 980 CPU, for example, is the fastest mobile processor in the world, and combined with a generous 6GB of RAM, the phone returned very strong benchmark scores in Geekbench 4. Very strong performance across the device, with Android 9.0 Pie and EMUI 9.0 running like they're on steroids, and apps and games running flawlessly. Mobile fighting game Tekken, for example, not only downloaded, installed and booted up like lightning, but also ran like an absolute dream, with zero slowdown in terms of frame rate and almost instantaneous load times. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes loaded with a very large 4200 mAh battery that supports 40W supercharge support. This is even bigger than the unit installed in the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and, after some real-world and benchmark testing, I can confirm that it is one of the better units on the market. I loved Leica-made triple camera system on the Huawei P20 Pro, so had very high hopes for the array of lenses installed on the Mate 20 Pro. Hardware-wise, you get another triple lens setups on the rear of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, with a 40MP f/1.8 wide-angle lens partnering a 20MP f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle and 8MP f/2.4 telephoto lens. And around the front you get, what I think is totally crazy, a 24MP f/2.0 selfie camera. For a taste of the detailed, rich color, high-contrast photos capable of being taken with these lenses, check out the Mate 20 Pro image gallery below, as well as additional images further down the feature. The first thing you notice when you take the Huawei Mate 20 Pro out of the box is that it looks very similar to Samsung's the Galaxy S9. The precision curved glass design employed here by Huawei is a total stunner, with the smooth curves of the 3D glass melding perfectly with the phone's thin, cool-to-the-touch frame. The curved OLED is physically a thing of beauty, while its tall and spacious 19.5:9 aspect ratio, warm and rich HDR capabilities, and crisp 1400 by 3120 resolution. And when you've got a device that not only packs the world's fastest CPU, but also one with some genuine sit-up and take notice features like a fantastically executed in-display fingerprint reader and futuristic reverse wireless charging ability, it's easy to see how the Huawei Mate 20 Pro rises above the Me Too. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is a truly stunning flagship phone that more than matches the prowess and style of any other smartphone available today in 2018. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is a phone that you'll simply fall in love with. So this is Adnan, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because we give you the fresh review, not paid review. Goodbye.